Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to backup and restore your text messages on your phone. So let's start. First, open the Google Play Store and search for SMS Backup and Restore app. This app is completely free. Now install this app. It will take a few moments to install. When it's done, open the app. Now tap Get Started. Allow all the permissions. And now tap on Set up a backup. Here you will see you also have the option to back up your call logs. But in this video, we'll stick with messages only. So I'll just disable call logs and tap Next from bottom right corner. Now you have to select a location where you want to store your backup. I'll stick with Google Drive here. Now you have to log into your Google Drive account by simply tap on Login. Now select the second option and tap OK. Now select the Google Drive account. And now tap Save on bottom right corner. Now tap Next on bottom right corner. Here you have to set up the frequency of your recurring backups. Now select the option and tap Backup Now on bottom right corner. And your text messages will automatically start backing up. It takes a few moments to upload the backup. And the backup is complete. Now if you have new messages, then simply tap Backup Now. And here you will also have the same options like before. You can include call logs, select a backup location, and more. I'll just disable call logs and tap Backup on bottom right corner. Now to restore text messages, tap three bars on top left corner and tap Restore. Now you have to select the location from where you want to restore your backup. Since I have saved on Google Drive, I'll tap on Google Drive location. Here you will have the option to restore your call logs too. Since we are sticking with only messages, I'll just tap Restore from bottom right corner. Tap OK. And now you have to set SMS Backup and Restore as your default SMS app. And the restoration process will automatically start. And your restore is completed. So that's how you backup and restore your text messages on your phone. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.